All right, today I am here to show off the Raspberry Pi garage door opener project. The original garage door opener still works completely fine, but we are going to talk about what's up here, which is more interesting. So let me get up here, show you what is going on here. Get up a little more, zoom out. All right, so we have the inputs to the garage door opener. These two wires here are from the opener itself, the button that I just showed. And these wires over here are the eyes at the bottom, the sensor tripping for when the garage door closes, you don't accidentally hit something or whatever. The eyes detect that. What we have up here is we have a Raspberry Pi module, a 5-volt relay, and a USB hub, which I'll explain why we need this in a minute. Let's talk about how this works. So remember, these are the input from the button. And what I did here is I hooked into the wire lead from up here. These two wires come up to here. And basically these are just completing the circuit from the run up here, which is from the button, comes down. And these are the two wires. And I just used wire nuts to hook into there. It's pretty simple. Probably gonna not use wire nuts in the future, might use something different. For now, this will work. So let's first talk about the USB hub and why I chose to use that. And the reason I use that is because this Wi-Fi module could plug in. I have a spare USB port up here, but I found this Wi-Fi module died a lot. Like it would get connected to the Wi-Fi and then just stop working. And I found out that because it's kind of a high voltage or watt or whatever it is, high energy use Wi-Fi module, it sometimes does not get enough power from this USB hub up here and stops working. So I read online that if you use a USB hub, the solutions go, or the problems I had go away, because since this is a powered USB hub, it's actually plugged in behind here, it causes this Wi-Fi module to be much more stable. So that's what I had to do. That's why I had to use this. I think the newer Raspberry Pi modules don't have that problem, but whatever. I think it was like 10 bucks on Amazon. I can include all the links of all these products in the video. So the quick basic how this works is you have up here these, I call it GPIO pins. And basically this Raspberry Pi is running a web server, and when the web server is turned on, it listens for input through a client app like a mobile application. And basically when it gets its signal input from the client, the server causes these pins to turn on. These pins send a signal up into this 5-volt relay. This 5-volt relay kicks on and basically completes the circuit here between these two wires, which causes this garage door opener to open up. Now I'll demonstrate the app. I didn't actually write the app. There's actually some guy who figured all this work out already, and I just kind of used his code. Probably eventually, I think he's using PHP. I'm gonna eventually change it over to like a Node.js backend server and maybe Angular front end or something, but that's a project for another day. So let's look at the web app here. Let me unlock my phone, not show you my password here. So it's basically, I'm just hooked up to an IP address right now on my home network. Eventually I'll use some sort of dynamic DNS system or whatever to map the local IP. This is not facing the external network, it's only on my internal network. So we hit the button and voila, garage door opener opens. And we can come back, hit the button again. Whoops. Hit the button again. We can stop it. Press the button again and we're down. Just like a normal garage door opener. Behaves exactly the same. Yeah, I'll post links to this, all the projects, links, files, Amazon links, and it'll get you going. But it's pretty simple. It's not too hard. This cardboard is obviously a temporary solution until I figure out something better. Maybe mounting up to wood, get some covering on it. But yeah, that's all you really need. It's really simple to do. The code, if you don't know code or whatever, you're just an amateur, it's very easy to set up. If you have just a little bit of computer skill, you can pretty much figure it out. Thanks for watching.